This is Canvas. When you first log in, you'll see your dashboard. The dashboard is where you'll find your most recent courses that you're currently teaching or that you're enrolled in. When you first go to a course, the default homepage is modules. Think of modules as chapters in a book or units of study. Modules are what you use to organize content in your course. Most students find modules very easy to navigate. To add a new module to your course, simply click the Add Module button, give your module a name, and add the module. You can rearrange content from your course by grabbing handles. Students will not see unpublished modules, so be sure you publish them. Even if content in a module is published, if the module is not published, students cannot access any of the content in that module. You can also use the Unpublished Publish option to hide individual content. To add content to a module, simply click the plus button and choose what kind of content you would like to add. You can add assignments, quizzes, links to websites, or content pages, and we'll discuss each of these in more detail later. You can also choose to indent content when you add it to your module. Clicking on the menu item next to Items and Modules also allows you to decrease or increase indentations. Here is an example of what a finished module may look like in a course. I have an introduction, which lists learning objectives and a brief summary of the unit. This was created by using content pages. Then reading assignments, which were also created using content pages. A discussion forum, and 2 assignments. When you add assignments and edit them, you can choose point values, and you can also choose how students will submit their assignment. We'll go into that in more detail later. These headers, which help separate reading from different assignment types, were created by choosing to add text headers. Because there's no option to organize things into folders when using modules, it's often necessary to use text headers if you need to distinguish between different types of content.